Hey guys, all my dear learners, I'm back. And this time again, I've got a passage from CAT 2022, I think. पिछला वाला भी मैंने आपको बताया था कि that passage often gets ignored. That was on what? Bion convergence something, जिसमें genetic engineering and all हमने पढ़ा था. So, what does this one say? All right. Interpretations of the Indian past. Okay. As the first step, what are we going to do? Nazar डालो खाली देखो किस बारे में है. Interpretations of the Indian past inevitably influenced by this. Okay. Orientalism. Western perceptions. अच्छा बहुत सारा डेटा है इसमें. Neoclassicism, Oriental Renaissance, names तो बहुत सारे हैं, terms बहुत सारे हैं. Okay, अभी main idea निकालेंगे चलो. However, this enthusiasm ओरिएंटल बहुत दिख रहा है मुझे यहाँ. जर्मन रोमांटिसिज्म. ओके बहुत सारे चेंजिंग लैंडस्केप का बहुत कुछ दिख रहा है. ऑलराइट. कंसोलेशन टू दिस. ओके सो इंटरप्रिटेशन ऑफ द इंडियन पास्ट ऐसे ही कुछ दिख रहा है मुझे. राइट ये है आपका इंडियन पास्ट. ये colonial concerns and all, इसी पे है कुछ पैसेज. Let's check the questions first. It can be inferred that to gain a more accurate view of a nation's history and culture should do all except true, false. Correct? Then, it can be inferred from the passage that the author is not likely to support the view that. Author का view निकालना है, but here I can see it is random. It's not connected with the conclusion or one specific para. Not likely to support. It can be inferred from the passage that the author is not likely to support. So, false. True. We are looking for one false. ठीक है, but ये random है. I'll keep this for later. Random means फैला हुआ है पूरे passage में. Which one of the following styles of research is most similar to the Orientalist scholars' method of understanding Indian history? Specific. ठीक है. So we have to go and read that point and then check the options. और यहाँ पे ये ध्यान दीजिए आप, this is an application question. You have to read this portion, okay, and then reading about the life of early American settlers, reading 18th century this, artifacts, Hollywood action, ये सब थोड़े दिया है passage में. So you have to read their way, Orientalist scholars' method, and then come back and eliminate. Right? You have to come back and apply that. कि वैसा same किसमें होगा. Right? Then number 4. In the context of the passage, all of the following statements are true. True, and one false. Clear? Questions neat है, but true false वाले जो है मुझे काफी random दिख रहे हैं. So I'm going to save them for later. Right? So I would like to start with probably this. Start इससे नहीं भी करूँ तो इसमें ये पैरा से रिलेटेड एक था ना कहीं, ऐसा कुछ. चलो anyway पहले तो पैसेज देख लेते हैं. It's important here. Interpretations of the Indian past were inevitably influenced by this and also by prevalent European ideas about history, civilization and this. So these were इंटरप्रिटेशंस बोले तो क्या हुआ इंडियन पास्ट में, वो कैसे इन्फ्लुएंस होता था. colonial concerns, prevalent this. Orientalist scholars, Orientalist, Far East, China, Japan types, studied the languages and the texts with selected Indian scholars, but made little attempt to understand the worldview of those who were teaching them. I can go straight to my question. There is one that says Orientalist वालों ने क्या किया. Orientalist scholars studied the languages and texts with selected Indian scholars, but made little attempt, नहीं कोशिश की उन्होंने, to understand the world view of those who were teaching them. ये Indian scholars उनको teach कर रहे हैं या जो भी, तो world view उनका नहीं लिया गया. The readings therefore are something of a disjuncture from the traditional ways of looking at the Indian past. It's a little different from how we would look at it, the traditional way of looking at it. So this is connected to a question, keep this in mind. And I understand that the passage is all about this, interpretations of the Indian past. how it got influenced, what were the effects of it, या जो कुछ भी. Orientalism, now he brings this here, which we can understand broadly as this: Western perceptions of the Orient fueled the fantasy, okay, particularly, all right, the cultures of Asia. नहीं पढ़ रही मैं इसमें, मुझे पता है दो क्वेश्चंस ट्रू फॉल्स के हैं, वो दोनों क्वेश्चंस के लिए मुझे बार बार वेरीफाई करना पड़ेगा. So try to understand what this para ka first two lines are saying. Orientalism fueled the fantasy and the freedom sought by European Romanticism, particularly in its opposition to the more disciplined Neoclassicism. Difficult language है, सारे terms and concepts है, मत भागो उसके पीछे. The cultures of Asia, romantic paradigm मत पढ़ो. Greek Renaissance, okay. अच्छा कुछ किया इन लोगों ने, जो भी किया. Apprehensive of the changes introduced by industrialization भी यहाँ mentioned है. Fantasies of the Orient. Fantasies वैसे एक negative sounding word है. So आगे बढ़ते हैं. This enthusiasm gradually changed to conform, to obey what? The emphasis later in the 19th century innate superiority of European civilization. Oh, okay. Oriental civilizations were now seen as having been okay in decline. उनका decline होने लगा. Superiority किसका? European civilizations का. अब मत पढ़ो आगे. So-called discovery of India. देख लेंगे, all right. अच्छा, यहां पे एक ज्ञान पॉइंट ले लो. आप कितना भी इसको समझ लो, कितना भी आप इसको पढ़ लो डिटेल में, still for the true false questions you will be searching for those points. You're getting the point. So क्यों वक्त बर्बाद करना है? Right? Now I go down to German Romanticism. Endorsed, all right. This was the genesis. तो फ्लो कितना नीट है ये देख रहे हो भाई. मुद्दा तो ये है ना, interpretations. They were influenced by these things, and then Orientalist scholars ने ये गलती की, फिर Orientalism का पूरा explain किया. Then he brings in, यहाँ पे later Orientalism का और कुछ and so-called discovery something. Then he brings in German Romanticism. क्या करूंगी मैं ये सब पढ़ के? Straight away go to the questions. Last para जरूर पढ़ती हूँ मैं. It was a consolation to the Indian intelligentsia. कौन है भाई intelligentsia? The people, the learned people, the educated people, the elite. It was a consolation to these people for its perceived inability to counter the technical superiority of the West. Perceived inability. People thought that they're not able to counter the technical superiority. A superiority viewed as having enabled Europe to colonize Asia and other parts of the world. ऐसा लोगों को लगता था. At the height of anti-colonial nationalism, anti-colonial colonies के against जो colonialism हुआ उसके against nationalism जब peak पे था, it acted as a balm for having been made a colony of Britain. बहुत ज्यादा समझना नहीं है, लेकिन थोड़ा सा vocab होना चाहिए, interpret करना होगा यहाँ पर. अभी I'll take you straight to the questions. There's no point reading this passage further. Main idea समझ में आ गया. It's interpretations of the Indian past in different ways. कैसे हुआ, क्या हुआ, जगह जगह पे वो है. What would I want to tackle first? It can be inferred, gain more accurate view. Scholars should do. Should do, भाई. Scholars should do all except more accurate view. So more accurate view के लिए must be given somewhere in the first para. कुछ तो होगा ना कि उन लोगों ने नहीं किया, नहीं confirm है. Check the options. अब जैसे यहाँ मुझे थोड़ा डाउट हो रहा है फर्स्ट पैरा में कहाँ जाएंगे, ऐसे क्या. अच्छा, चेक द ऑप्शंस क्विकली, पता चल जाएगा किस पैरा से रिलेटेड है. ओन बिलीफ्स एंड बायसेस. रीड वाइडली इन द कंट्रीज लिटरेचर. एग्जामिन द कॉम्प्लेक्स रियलिटी ऑफ द नेशन सोसाइटी. ओके. डेवलप एन ऑपोजिशनल फ्रेमवर्क टू ग्रास्प कल्चरल डिफरेंसेस. ना कंफ्यूजन है, मत करो अभी इसको, ठीक है, रहने दो, लेटर. It can be inferred author is not likely to support the view that ये Orientalist view fired the imagination, Indian culture, India's culture. Now I'll give you one gyan point here. I'll remove this later from here. Why? This can be easily verified. दो options तो निकाले जा सकते हैं. कैसे? Orientalist view, Western poets fired the imagination. इंडियन कल्चर मटीरियल वर्ड लेके फटाफट आप ढूंढ सकते हो. इंडियन कल्चर एक्नॉलेजेस द मटीरियल एस्पेक्ट्स और नॉट. India's culture has evolved over the centuries. भाई आप खुद सोचो, अगर थोड़ा सा कॉमन सेंस लगा के आप सोचोगे, डोंट यू थिंक दिस इज करेक्ट? इंडियाज कल्चर हैज इवॉल्व्ड ओवर द सेंचुरीज. एकदम नॉर्मल साउंडिंग चीज है, इसको पहले तो हटा दो. दिस इज ट्रू, सो दिस इज एलिमिनेटेड. आई एम लुकिंग फॉर अ फॉल्स. Correct? Then, India became a colony although it matched the technical knowledge of the West. Now, this is so damn cool. Technical knowledge of the West, I can verify, and here, material aspects I can verify. Technical knowledge of the West तो कहीं last class में ही था, पहले उसी को देख लेते हैं. Became a colony, हालांकि उसका टेक्निकल नॉलेज वेस्ट के जैसा बराबर था, लेकिन फिर भी बेचारा कॉलोनी बन गया. ये कहना चाह रहा है यहाँ. All right, match the technical knowledge of the West. Okay. Here. Romanticism, all right. Complex symbolism, Genesis, okay. Distance themselves, dichotomy, fine. Spiritual value, okay. European, ये देखो. Values, Indian values being described as spiritual and European materialistic. Quickly go back. Quickly. Acknowledges the material aspects now. There is a trick here. गड़बड़ है यहां पर, और बच्चों ने गलती की थी. यहां वर्ड है acknowledges, ठीक है. यहां पे आपका दिया है Indian values being described as spiritual and European values as materialistic with little attempt to juxtapose these, साथ में लाना, with the reality of Indian society. This theme has been even more firmly endorsed, okay? This theme more firmly endorsed by a section of Indian opinion during the last 100 years. Do you get my point? Indian society acknowledges, मानता है that there is a material world. वो ये थोड़े कह रहा है कि Indian society follows it. Get it? So यहाँ पे a dichotomy was maintained. Dichotomy, divide. Your Western material, Indian spiritual. Indian values ऐसा ऐसा ऐसा. These values with the reality, this theme has been even more firmly endorsed by a section of the Indian opinion during this. So Indians did acknowledge the material aspects of life. This is true. Hope this is clear. इसको बच्चों ने मार्क किया था, नो इंडियन तो स्पिरिचुअल है. तो अगर इंडियन स्पिरिचुअल, अगर इसको आपने फॉल्स मार्क किया, तो जो आंसर है एक्चुअली उसको कैसे प्रूव करोगे? अभी चलते हैं आगे. Orientalist view of Asia fired the imagination and this matched the technical knowledge. मुझे शुरू से ये खटक रहा है. If it matched the technical knowledge, क्यों दिया है वहां पर superiority? It was a consolation to Indian intelligentsia for its perceived inability to counter the technical superiority of the West. Right? So, perceived inability, नहीं कर सकता है इंडिया काउंटर टेक्निकल सुपीरियोरिटी ऑफ द वेस्ट. लेकिन टेक्निकल सुपीरियोरिटी तो बोला गया ना, राइट? इवन इफ यू चेक इन सम अदर प्लेस, नहीं, टेक्नोलॉजिकल सुपीरियोरिटी और कहीं पर नहीं है एज सच. ये सुपीरियोरिटी ऑफ द यूरोपियन सिविलाइजेशन, ओके. currently in decline. Pattern, formulations, okay. Unchanging continuity. So this is the portion, opinion during, okay, yeah. It was a consolation to the Indian intelligentsia for its perceived inability, unki inability, to counter the technical superiority of the West, a superiority viewed as having enabled Europe to colonize Asia and other parts of the world. So, आप अगर यहाँ पे कह रहे हो, India became a colony, हालांकि it matched the technical knowledge of the West. Don't you think इसमें थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ है कुछ, राइट? सो और अगर इसको प्रूव करना चाहे, ओरिएंटलिस्ट व्यू फायर्ड द इमेजिनेशन. आई विल टेक यू बैक. ओके, यहां देखो, अंडरस्टैंड ब्रॉडली, ये देखो, fueled the fantasy and the freedom sought by European romanticism. So that option is being proved. That is true. Here, this is your answer. Hope this is clear, right? Then, question 3. हमने 1 किया है क्या? नहीं किया अभी, right? Okay. हाँ. Question 3, right. Which one of the following styles of research is most similar to the Orientalist scholar's method of understanding? First para itself. Application question है ये. पहले उनका देख लेना है कि उन्होंने क्या किया, एक बार और जाके पढ़ लो. What did they do? Studied the languages and the texts with selected Indian scholars, but made little attempt to understand the worldview of those who were teaching them. So it's a disjuncture from the traditional ways. I'll go over to the options now. Question 3. Okay. Reading about life of early American settlers and later waves of migration to understand the evolution of American culture. Reading about the life of early American settlers and later waves of migration to understand the evolution. Most similar पूछा है. Correct? There has to be a disjuncture. Disjuncture means कुछ तो different. आपने कोशिश नहीं की world views का समझने की, and some disjuncture. Reading 18th century accounts by travelers to India to see how they viewed Indian life and culture of the time. There is no disjuncture here. 18th century accounts by travelers to India, how they viewed. So this is perfectly fine, आप पूछा है most similar. तो इसमें disjuncture नहीं है. There was a disjuncture if you remember. So this is eliminated. ये तो बहुत smooth है. Studying artifacts excavated at a palace to understand the lifestyle of those who lived there. Artifacts आपने निकाला, okay, to understand what? Lifestyle. So you, with the help of those artifacts, you're trying to go back in history and understand the lifestyle. So this is also smooth. This is eliminated. You're looking for something in which there's a disjuncture, there's a disconnect. Let's read this. Analyzing Hollywood action movies that depict violence and sex to understand America. So just by analyzing Hollywood action movies, वो भी देखो एक specific genre. Action movies, not even overall movies, society movies, no. Action movies that depict violence and sex to understand modern America. Don't you think this is a disjuncture? These people are not bothering to understand ye. These people are just kind of taking something, doing hasty generalization. Movies में ऐसा दिखाया तो Americans सारे ऐसे ही. So this option has that fallacy, that flaw, error of reasoning जिसको कहते हैं, hasty generalization. Small sample, movies, action movie लेके you're saying that contemporary America is like this. So this is your most similar. क्यों? क्योंकि उधर भी उन लोगों ने, I'll take you back, इन लोगों ने भी यही किया था. ये देखो. Studied the languages and texts, okay, with selected. उधर आपने एक्शन मूवीज का जॉनरा पकड़ा, बट मेड लिटिल अटेम्प्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड द वर्ल्ड व्यू ऑफ दोज हु वर टीचिंग देम. पूरा आप वर्ल्ड व्यू, उनका परसेप्शन आपने नहीं लिया. राइट? द रीडिंग्स आर देयर फॉर डिस्कनेक्ट फ्रॉम द ट्रेडिशनल वेज. सो हियर दिस इज योर आंसर. होप दिस इज क्लियर. क्वेश्चन 4. In the context of the passage, all are true except Orientalist scholarship influenced Indians. Now, if we talk about all are true except, इतना तो अभी तक हमने पढ़ लिया है, एक बार ऑप्शंस देख लेते हैं. One false चाहिए. Orientalist scholarship influenced Indians, general okay type लग रहा है. Indian texts influenced Orientalist scholars. They tried to study. ये तो true है. Correct? India's spiritualism served as a salve for European colonizers. India's spiritualism served as a balm for European colonizers. Seriously. Now this is what I call attractive word trap. याद आया मुझे, salve कहीं दिया है. Yeah. At the height of anti-colonial nationalism, it acted as a salve for having been made a colony of Britain. What acted? ये इनका inability, perceived inability, जो भी. But does it say anywhere that India का spiritualism, that was in the preceding paragraph, materialism and spiritualism, acted as a balm for European colonizers? Oh no, bhai, no, definitely not. So this is your answer. So true false में if I come upon the answer, I don't play POE. मैं सीधा उसको आंसर मार्क कर देती हूँ. Orientalist understanding of Indian history was linked to colonial concerns. Indian history, colonial concerns, or overall general, this sounds pretty good. So ये false हमको वैसे भी मिल गया है. This is your answer. 3. ठीक है? Then the last one. It can be inferred from the passage that to gain a more accurate view of a nation's history should do what? All of the following except. एलिमिनेट खेलते हैं इसमें. एग्जामिन देयर ओन बिलीफ्स, रीड वाइडली दिस, ट्रू. करेक्ट. एग्जामिन द कॉम्प्लेक्स रियलिटी, ट्रू. फर्स्ट पैरा से ये दोनों हो गए. राइट. देन examine their own beliefs and biases, yet develop an oppositional framework to grasp cultural differences. Oppositional framework, cultural differences निकालने के लिए. So यहां क्या पूछा है? All except. Take one and go and prove. Examine their own beliefs and biases. Okay. चलिए. So हाँ. Made little attempt to understand. The readings therefore are something of a disjuncture from the traditional ways, opposite. So this is not approved, right? Orientalism, okay. Fueled, okay, particularly in its opposition to the more disciplined neoclassicism. तो इनका अपना भी belief था. The cultures of Asia were seen as bringing in something. It was believed that Oriental Renaissance, okay, followed, okay. English poets, mainly you get it from here only, you know. उतना जाने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. So examine the complex, ये तो हो गया था, sorry. Examine their own beliefs, should be true. This one, oppositional framework, disjuncture नहीं चाहिए था उनको to grasp cultural differences, no. So this is false. And this is your answer. I hope it's clear. अब इसमें ना doability मैं बता रही हूँ आपको इस passage में. Like this question would take time. ये आपको 30 सेकेंड्स में पता चल जाएगा कि दो तो एलिमिनेट हो रही है, एक एलिमिनेट हो रहा है, बाकी नहीं हिल रहे, तो क्या करूं, इसको छोड़ दो इसको. ठीक है, ईगो पे नहीं लेने का. ये वाला टाइम लेगा. और सपोर्ट द व्यू इंडियाज कल्चर बिकेम अ कॉलोनी, इसमें तो क्लियर पीओई हो रहा था, ये कर सकते थे आप जल्दी. मोस्ट सिमिलर टू द ओरिएंटलिस्ट, ये वहां पे पढ़ करके दिस वाज प्योर इन्फरेंस. ठीक है, इसमें बच्चों ने मिस्टेक किया था जिस साल 2022 में ये पेपर जब आया था, तो they thought इसमें you know ये it was between 3 and 4 for them, but फिर भी you know artifacts लेके you're going back and thinking about how these were connected to the lives is still understandable. ये history generalization नहीं हुआ. Whatever artifacts you got, those depict the real lives lived. इसमें one selected you know action movies लेके you are doing पूरा contemporary America is like this. This was very doable. और इसमें इंडिया स्पिरिचुअलिज्म, इसमें भी अगेन दिस वाज लाइक अ ट्रैप. सो प्रोसेस ऑफ एलिमिनेशन स्ट्रॉन्ग करो, आसानी से क्वेश्चन सॉल्व होंगे. ऑलराइट, आई एम डन विद दिस एंड कूल, सॉर्टेड. ADDC मार्क किया था मैंने, AD डी था इसका, C, राइट. ओके, सॉर्टेड. आई एम गोइंग टू सी यू अगेन.